Hey team, once again, just giving you a quick demo of this installation that we've done. This is a big tongue and groove gate. It's 1900 high and it's got this Bonica turbo motor. Bonicas are really good. For the bigger gates we tend to spec a better motor with more options and stuff like that. For your small pedestrian type gates and that, or your small aluminium gates, we normally do it like a low cost kind of setup. But you can see this one has a turbo motor. It's a fast motor, so it's very fast, which is what you want. And you can imagine this gate's quite heavy. Two of us lifted it. It's solid aluminium, so it's quite a heavy gate. So everything needs to be installed pretty solidly. So you can see it's got the 100 by 50 frame and it's got these tongue and groove. So these are all individual boards, aluminium boards that are sort of made together. It's put in with this L channel, and then he's gone for this custom sort of villa kind of look. You can see we've got this matching gate to go with it. So this one here has this Borg latch. It's quite an expensive latch. It's like a $600 latch. But it has a mechanical digital keypad. I'll go around the outside and show you what that looks like. So that's what it looks like from this side. You can see we've actually done a laminata installation. I've talked a little bit about laminata, but this has got a stepping concrete strip. So the good thing about this is this strip is all flat through here, and then it steps down into that section at the back there. You can see the stopper that goes in. So we'll just head through, have a look. So that's the Borg latch, that's the gate. So I'll show you an open so you can have a look. So that's the open. You can see it's got these plywood pillars as well, so it's kind of oh, the wind's blowing. This one's on a 15-second timer, and you can see that I'll try not to show the customer's license plate. So they can come home and drive straight in. You get remotes, so there's a couple of remotes. We've also programmed a pedestrian mode as well. So you can see it's closing, and then about the 90% point you'll see it goes into soft close. Goes down to C. So it's a nice soft landing. So yeah, a big gate like this, you don't want it smacking the end. Obviously all of that weight and inertia can cause problems, but yeah, so this is a full sort of a installation, big gate, front fence and a pedestrian gate. You see the pedestrian gate actually opens into the gate travel, so that's why the gate opens outwards, not inwards, but it's low use, so they're all pretty good with having it at that point. Here comes the rain. Awesome. Custom gates, tongue and groove gates. Give us a call. Happy to travel. Happy to work with things over email, phone. We can often give you a pricing over email and then sort of head out to your house and have a look. Happy to work on any project that you have. strongfencing.co.nz